Lesson 13. Reading practice number 6. Dear Sir, ordering food for hundreds of patients in a nursing home and serving it soon an easy job, period. It is a real challenge to prepare and to serve 3 appetizing meals a day, period. You must work hard to keep the soup hot and the ice cream cold and the salad crisp, period. That is the job that cook food services does. Paragraph. We prepare the meals in our own kitchens, period. They are then placed on trays and later put in ovens which heat the food, period. The meals are then ready to be served, period. We have been serving food to nursing homes since 1950, paragraph. A circular listing all our services is enclosed, period. If you would like to have Mr. Bates, our chef food planner, took to the officers of your nursing home, we will be glad to send him, period. To arrange for his visit, just call us, period. Our number is 555-9274, period. Very truly yours. Lesson 13, reading practice number 7. Dear Professor Cook, thank you for the nice letter you wrote in my behalf to Mrs. Helen Dudley of the Woods Book Corporation, period. She called me yesterday to tell me that the job was mine and that I could begin work on July 1, paragraph. I am sure that your letter was vital factor in Mrs. Dudley's selection of me from the dozens of people who were applying for the job, period. I assure you, Professor Cook, that I will do my utmost to succeed in this job, paragraph. I plan to stop in to see you soon and thank you again for your kindness, period. Sincerely yours.